So, hi everyone, this is a short demo video about Keywork where I'm going to present some of our main features, okay? So we can start here by our quick button where you can have a new candidate or opportunity. You can write that opportunity's name, like if you're looking for a full stack developer or a warehouse operator. It doesn't matter, okay? Set a priority degree. You can set also a particular recruiter responsible for that task. Well, and many more information, salaries, slots, and so on. And of course, the skills that you're looking for that opportunity, okay? So we have developed the skills tree and we have divided it on three segments: profile, area, and specialization. So you can choose according to your reality, okay? All of this is customizable. Uh, for example, if I'm looking for a programmer, it would be the profile. Area could be web, so a web developer, and specialization, the technology, so HTML, for example. But if you work in the health recruitment, it can be a doctor, area can be oncology, and specialization, digestive system, for instance, okay? As I said, all of this is customizable according to your reality. And you can type here many more descriptions about what you're looking for. With a simple click, you can turn public that opportunity, okay? We have developed a candidate web portal that is integrated with your website, with your careers page, for example. So this is just our demo environment. And there you'll have all the opportunities posted, okay? Candidates can log in and register there and apply to that opportunity. You can also choose which information do you want to be public, okay? Which information do you want to be seen on the candidate portal. Once your opportunity is created, you can access here the list of all the opportunities where you have information about them. You can open, and here you have an overview of the status of it. So, opened, answered, if someone was already placed or not, the description, and so on. And here you have all the steps of your recruitment process until someone is placed, okay? I don't have here anyone at the moment, but I can have, with a simple click, Keywork will suggest automatically a candidate, okay, according to the profile that I'm looking for, the experience, the salary expectations, and so on. So I can have here this candidate, for example, and as long as I move in the recruitment process, I just need to drag him, okay? Of course, more information will be required, and at any moment, I can reject that candidate, type a reason or not, as I wish. And when I go here, rejected, I can see here all the rejected candidates and in which phase they were rejected. Of course, I can also close that opportunity anytime and cancel or even edit, okay? So here I had already candidates on my database, but I can add them, okay? I have three ways of doing that. One is through the candidate web portal that I have mentioned. So the candidate will apply here and you will receive his profile and application on Keywork. The other way is by filling manually his profile. Okay, you can also drop here his resume and it will parse automatically his name, phone number, and email. The other way is through our LinkedIn Chrome extension. Okay, we have developed this tool here. So you can use it to add candidates through LinkedIn. When I open a candidate profile on LinkedIn and I click here, he will basically scan all of his available information and I can have it and open his profile on Keywork. If some candidate is already on Keywork that you're looking on LinkedIn, you can see it, okay? So here you have the information that he's already in Keywork, viewing Keywork, and you can open his profile there. So once you have your list of candidates, and you you want to make use of our search engine, okay, you can, with a simple clicks, narrow the profiles that you're looking for. So, for example, you want a programmer in the web area. So it will narrow all the possibilities, okay? I also want someone with knowledge in Scrum or Agile methodologies, okay? We have developed a Boolean search. So basically, it will search everywhere for that information. CVs, interview notes, you name it. And when I open here, I have this information, okay? So this candidate, she has mentioned on a follow-up that she has Scrum and Agile knowledge. I can also be more specific or be more rigorous. So I want someone that, besides this, also has prior experience in the transport area. So Keywork will search, and I have here. So she has a good knowledge in Scrum and also prior projects in transport area. This is particularly important for outsourcing companies in the IT sector, okay? I can also make use of Elasticsearch, so if I type wrongly a word like Scrum, I can search and it will recognize anyway, okay? As you can see here. So with this, you can add many more criteria. You can also set your favorite searches, you know, to be more quickly. And you can make a very full and extensive use of our search engine. You can also create your list of favorites and share that information with your colleagues. Besides that, we have many more features and interesting things that you can do on Keywork, okay? The clients, if you work in the outsourcing area, to-do lists, okay, that you can access, and you can see the tasks that you have to do for today, tomorrow, or next week, the calendar, and most important, I would say the reports and the dashboards, okay? Here you can have an overview of your team's performance, of your consultants and recruiters' performance. You have specific information that you can use to evaluate them and to have your meetings, you know. So we usually say that what is not on Keywork, it doesn't exist. So here you have all the information about your business. And for example, reports, the contacts that they have made, how many contacts, interviews, you can filter, you can export that data, and so on. So this is just some of our basic features that we have, okay? We have many more that I would like to show you, and of course, according to your reality, to the company that you're working. So you can reach me back and we can schedule a conversation. Yeah, hope you like this video, and reach me anytime. I'll be available to have a conversation with you. Thank you very much.